Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back again with a new makeup tutorial. This is today's look. I wanted to do a non-cut crease look because I feel like all I do at the minute is cutting the crease and it's getting a little bit like, whoa, slow down. So I thought I would do some like graphic liner instead. So yeah, I wanted to do like a colourful look because I don't think I've done like a colourful winged eyeliner in like quite a while. So yeah, so if you'd like to know how I did this look, please keep on watching, and if you do enjoy, please let me know down below what you thought, and without further ado we will get straight into the video. Right, so to begin today's tutorial, I'm going to go into the Lick and Lash 35E palette, and I'm going to start with this fuchsia pink shade here. I really hope that is on camera, and I'm going to start packing that into the inner corner and crease inner corner area. What? Like what? I can never describe what I'm doing. Basically, you'll probably see what I'm going to do before you fully understand. But yeah, I'm just going to take that fuchsia pink. Maybe I should just ditch all the technical words and just say front part. And then I'm just going to stop about there, and then I'm going to go into the light pink from the palette and use that to blend out that shadow. And then I'm going to go into some of these purples here. So I'm going to go into that dark purple first. Dark purple? That's not dark purple. I'm going to go into the dark pinky purple here. I really hope you can see these shades on camera. And then I'm going to take some of the purples up here as well and just kind of blend them into the pink. And then, yeah, just blending it really into that pink shade. Explaining will always be like the bane of my life. So I'm starting with the lighter purple shades first, so it's nice and easy to blend, and then I'm going into the darker purple the further out I get, if that makes any sense. So it kind of creates like an ombre. And then for that outer corner, I'm going to go into the navy blue, and just as I come around onto the lower lash line, I'm going to take some of that black as well, just so that, again, like it's like an ombre, so it gets like darker the further out we go, if that kind of makes sense. I'm then going to go into the NYX Vivid Bright eyeliner in Vivid Petal, and I'm just going to draw a wing. And then I'm going to go into the white NYX liquid liner and just line that pink wing. I'm then going to take, I'm then just going to glue on the Patty Lashes by Olivia Bell. So while them eyelashes are drying, I'm going to go into this shade here, which is like a rosy goldy kind of champagne-y colour, and I'm going to use this to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone. Okay, now for the lower lash line, what did I do first? I'm first just gonna take the NYX Wonder Pencil and I'm gonna run this onto my waterline. And then I'm gonna go into that navy blue shade and run this on the I'm gonna run this onto the first part of my lower lash line, coming around from the top. To be honest, I don't know why I even bother doing these like talk throughs, because I don't think anyone learns anything from them. Like, how do you even explain? Like, it's just better to show, isn't it? But probably not. But here we go. Right, putting the blue on. And then I'm going to clean the brush and go into them purples. Put them purples on the centre part, removing the cat's hair from the brush before proceeding. And then finally going into that fuchsia pink we first went in with, tapping it off and putting that on the innermost part of the lower lash line. And they are the eyes completed. I am going to go and do my face off camera so that we can see this look all, you know, put together, and I will back in 2 seconds to show you. So this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy, please let me know down below what you thought about it. If you have any requests as well, please do let me know. Give the video a like as well, and please do what? And please do click the subscribe button as well. I appreciate it very much. And yeah, I will see you all very soon. Thank you once again for watching. Bye everyone.